Okay, let's go out here and check on this Seadoo. This is the one that somebody rebuilt the supercharger on and didn't tighten the bolts. And the gears and bearings fell off. They pumped a bunch of oil into the muffler, tore up the double gear. We just got done installing it yesterday evening. They take pump off this morning. Small water leak. Make sure we get any metal that we can get out of there that I might have missed. But the moral of the story is get qualified people to work on your stuff. There were no Loctite present, and the nut that holds the gear, the clutch washers, and the clutch springs, and needle bearing pins fell off, got lodged in the bottom of the engine. And broke a lot of double gear and the bottom of it. Donor motor, we took a lot of parts out of, got it back together. Looks like we're able to save it. Really, really good. When we ran it on the trailer, we had a check engine light. And just so everybody knows, the temperature sensor and the crank sensor and one more sensor on this side of the motor, I forget what it is, all have the same plug. And we just had them crossed. Once we switched them back, I mean, it was perfect and no issues whatsoever. Of course, we could scan it, but we don't have any service lights or anything. Now keep in mind also, all that stuff, all those little needle bearings and crap, there's some screens inside these motors. I got two oil pumps. One we call the designated supercharger oil pump, and the other one engine oil pump. That stuff can get past that screen and it damages those pumps. So we swiped a few parts out of our donor motor that were better looking, not perfect. And we handled the oil pump issues, the wear plates, so that it would, you know, just to head off any oil pressure problem. We don't know that it would have had any problems, but just to try to be precautionary, we changed those. Okay, so you like it? That's my son Kenneth Walker. That's Riley, his helper. This ski gets a clean bill of health after we service the oil one more time. Thanks for watching from Hotheads Marine Run Tank out here in Huffman, Texas. You guys have a great day. Hope this helps somebody.